Minsan sa may kalayaan tayo'y nagkatagpuan. May mga sariling gimik at kanya-kanyang hangad sa buhay.
On how they budget it. Every student can relate to. First 18 years old, a bill student, first year. Two ang bot! Hey guys! Welcome to our vlog! Today we're going to talk about something every student can relate to.
Our daily allowance and how we budget it here at ASCAT.
Do you think 100 pesos is enough for a day on campus? Or maybe even less? Let's find out! Ay, ow.
Post with the fans! Post with the pants! Post with the pants! Post with the fans! Post with the fans! Post with the fans!
I am Sheena Opiloton, 18 years old from BSED Mathematics and second year.
Good day everyone, I'm Ishiro Miss Mendoza. I'm BSED Math 2A or second year.
My name is Jessel May Gastardo. I'm 18 years old and akong course is BSAF.
So today we're going to interview some students on how they budget their allowances.
A few moments later.
How about you guys? How much is your daily allowance?
Mine is 100 per day.
500 per week.
Me is 1K per week.
Why? What about you, Joe? Mine is 500 per week.
Ay,
Correct. But 500 is not enough. Do you
Yes.
guys agree?
yes!
Yes, I agree.
Financial, maybe sometimes unstable with siya kay. Every week is 500 din kuhaan pa sa kaning groceries and sa pamasahe. But sometimes po is kuhaan na din. Usahay mo, tawag ko sa parents para mas madungagan akong allowance if ever na yung mga projects and mga amot.
How did you manage your financial?
Kaning unahon ako ang mga mas needs and ang una nga baryo nun before maglakwat siya or something maglaag-laag.
How much is your allowance per week?
So my allowance per week is 700. Yeah, 700. Include na ang pamility back and forth diri kay di man ko taga diri gyud naman. So yeah.
So how do you typically manage your money as a student?
I guess siguro di na nako kanang gina-separate nako ang pamility o ang daily kanang ginapalit ang pagkaon gina-separate man ang pamility. So at least kay dili man ko wala man ko ikaw galing yung motor. So gina-separate ang pamility karon dili makuan or paabot the Friday ma-manage siya kung sobra.
Do you find it struggling?
Sometimes if maabot sa kuan kanang i-include na ang pamility or kanang mga about na amutan amot schools, yeah.
It's all about the allowance.
Yes.
So I cannot really pinpoint what would, the estimated allowance of mine would be 1,000 per week, but it is a 1,000 per week, and I'm budgeting my allowance through putting what matter first. Say for example the needs, food, transportation, and of course the things that you need in the school: pen, ball pens, yellow paper, and of course the printables, such like that. And wala kang siguro, sunod na rin ang mga wants, mga laglag. Kailangan focus na yun sa mga academics sa pangyayon. So grabe nakatay, 1,000 is very small for a college student. Diba? Do you agree?
Yes.
How's your day, Mal? How's
interest. Sa karon nga.
How much is your allowance per week, ma'am? For example, dili man gid nga 1 week ra. For example, tagaan ko 500, so kinahanglan magdugay siya more than 1 week lang. Ngana.
So, how do you typically manage your money as a student?
Kuan, dili ko magpalit og butang na dili kinahanglan. Ang mga needs lang gyud, for example, kanang mga kuan sa eskwelahan, kung needs na gyud, mura na ipaliton pag kuan lang, once lang, dili lang.
Ako allowance per week, murag nasa 1K, say 200 ang everyday.
Sa imuhang 1K or sa 200 per day, ginaunsa nimo siya pag-manage imong kwarta as a student?
Okay, ginamanage na of course, kay 200 man siya taga-adlaw. Ang 100, plite, paulig trinto, kay wa man mi na boarding house. Tapos ang 100 kay pang snacks, kay of course, gutom.
Wala siya pakialam sa mga paperworks. Yes.
Hi everyone, I'm Gail Blanco. So, my allowance per day is 100. My budget for transportation is 70. That's food is wala. That's it.
Hi guys, my name is Jordan Cosinelio. My daily allowance is 100 pesos. And my budget for food is 50 pesos. And my transportation is 50 pesos. So it costs of 100 pesos. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Michi Ricarte. My allowance is 500 daily week. And apela na siya sa grocery and snacks kada adlaw. Og sa transportation po. Thank you! Guys, my name is Joanna Allen Guerrero and my budget weekly is 500 but my daily expenses is 100. 50 for food and 20 for transportation and other expenses will go on my projects and uploads. Thank you!
That's it, guys! Before we wrap up, here are my quick takeaways. Know your priorities, avoid impulse spending, save a little, no matter how small.
Now, I want to hear from you guys. How do you budget your daily allowance? Drop your tips in the comments and let's help each other survive student life.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time. Bye!
Guys, before we wrap up, here are the quick takeaways.
Yes!
Wala na niyo.
Thank you, yeah.
Hello everyone, I am Kiana Flores.
And